So in this video, I'll show you how to enable and disable subtitles in Call of Duty Black Ops 6. So launch the game on your console, then on your controller, press the options button to access this menu. Then use the R1 or the L1 button and go to the settings menu. Then scroll down and find interface. So select that. Now within the interface, you'll see three categories: the global, readability, and game hub. So use the R1 or the L1 button and go to readability, and you should see the first title being subtitles. So to enable this feature, select subtitles, and you can either choose default, which it will apply only in campaign, or you can choose all off to disable it, or you can choose all on to enable all subtitles, or you can choose custom and choose the game modes that you'd like to display. So for me, I'll just leave it at default, and this will enable subtitles only in campaign. So thanks for watching. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comment section below. And if you found this video useful, consider leaving a like and subscribing to the channel.